So for this, I am editing and I'm going to add the kind of demographics for my classroom, and I'm going to do it for their favorite ice cream. So here I'm going to edit that and we'll put chocolate, and then here we'll do vanilla. This one will be strawberry. And then this one I'm just going to put other, because there's a lot of different kinds out there. And then we'll say there's, let's see, 30 kids in the class. So we'll say maybe 10 here, 5 here, 5, and 10. And then I'm going to add a title. Right here I'll put favorite ice cream flavors. And that will pop up here. And then here I'm going to put and you can drag and see what they are. Maybe I'll change one to being 7 just so it's a little more interesting. And there you go. There is my data.